Are you looking for the best stunt scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best stunt scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Albott Pro Scooter Stunt Scooter. The Stunt Scooter is made of high-grade steel and features a 21.7-inch Y-bar with non-slip TPE grips. The durable ABEC7 bearings 3.9-inch wheels are made of PU plus PC and give you a soft feeling while riding. The 360-degree handlebar makes it easy to do some cool stunts. Unfortunately, the Y-bar is fixed at 22.9 inches, so there's no adjustment possible. You'll want to make sure your child is the right height to get the most out of it. This best stunt scooter weighs 7.3 pounds, which may be too much for younger kids to use to do tricks. What I really like is the custom components design. Scooters aren't like bicycles, so you don't have many options for a great deal of aesthetic customization with different parts. Mostly it's about decals and graphics, and the deck has a pretty sweet design that should appeal to boys and teenagers. After all, who doesn't love custom scooters? Number 2. Dominator Bomber Pro Scooter. Looking for an entry-level scooter? The Dominator Bomber is another beginner to intermediate stunt scooter. This one is quite sturdy and durable. Made with military-grade aluminum, these scooter decks will last a long time. The wheels are the main issue here. Nylon wheels are best, but these 100mm wheels are made of plastic, so they are definitely less durable than the rest of the scooter. It's not a huge deal, but I suspect a major crash or bad pothole could do a number on the wheels. Still, you can't beat the price, and the performance is pretty good. The bar is 20 inches tall and 20 inches wide, so it's a little bigger than the X3. The deck size is 19.5 x 4.4. The rubber grips on the bar are both soft and sturdy. These beginner stunt scooters can support a maximum weight of over 200 pounds. Number 3. Fuzion X-3 Pro Scooter. I'll be the first to admit I'm not a scooter expert. I know how to ride one, but stunts aren't exactly my specialty. I do know what goes into making a good stunt scooter, however, this is a basic starter scooter. It's inexpensive, which makes it a great choice to gain some experience for people who are just starting out. It has a 20x4-inch aluminum deck and 18-inch handlebars with hand grips. However, its wheels are made out of ABS polymer, which is not the best. These wheels will wear out over time and against tough surfaces. So, advanced riders must be careful. It weighs 7 pounds, but cannot support over 140 pounds of weight, so this scooter isn't really suitable for adults. I wasn't able to try it out for myself because I weigh 160 pounds. But for kids, this is a great budget scooter, and it comes in a variety of different colors. Number 4. Mad Gear Carve Pro Stunt Scooter. This scooter is a lot of fun, but it's really designed for kids, and it's heavy enough that professionals might want to think twice. It is one of the leading kids stunt scooters on the market. The main attraction for the Mad Gear Marvel Pro are the superhero designs painted on the metal. Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and my personal favorite, Spider-Man are all available. As for the stunt scooter itself, it's built with solid aluminum, but it's also heavy, almost 9 pounds. This means that younger kids probably aren't going to be able to do a lot of tricks. It is considered a great entry-level scooter. The comic book style art should really appeal to your son or daughter, but a teenager or adult will probably want something a little lighter. The brand also offers elite-level stunt scooters for professionals. Number 5. Vokul K1 Pro Stunt Scooter. With K1 Pro Stunt Scooter, we're starting to get into more serious territory with our scooters. This particular model is geared toward kids over 7, teens, and adults who are serious about stunting. This is one of the most trusted kids' scooters. There's nothing flashy about the design, but that in itself is striking. Its somber metallic black color means business. The frame is a step above anything so far. The K1 frame is made of multiple materials. The chromoly steel handlebar is sturdy enough to withstand stronger stunts. It has noise-free brakes, a T6061 aluminum deck, and a one-piece forged alloy fork. The wheels are still made from PU, but now they have ABS-C9 bearings, which makes them a lot more durable. The wheels offer more comfort in your ride, and the weight will give the scooter more stability. This is a pretty great scooter.